I wanted to expand a little bit, and I'll begin with the documentary because I just have one slide and just one point to make regarding that one, and yeah, then we can focus on chapter 7. All right, so on the documentary on Haiti and the Dominican Republic, specifically looking at race and learning about the racial history and tension between Dominican Republic and Haiti, we get introduced to the Massacre River and this incident that happened in 1937 where 15,000 Haitians were killed. But I wanted to introduce you to the fact that this massacre that the river is named after it was referred to as the Parsley Massacre. Parsley as in, I don't know, is that a vegetable? The leaf? What is it? An herb, thank you. All right, so why was it called the Parsley Massacre? Because the Dominican Republic speaks Spanish and Haiti speaks French Creole. And so their litmus test, the soldiers, and both Haitians and Dominicans have Black ancestry. And so their litmus test to try to determine whether a person they encountered was Haitian or Dominican was they would hold a little sprig of parsley and ask, "What is this?" And if they were French, people who didn't speak Spanish very well, then they couldn't pronounce the J in perejil, in the Spanish word for parsley, perejil. And so, yeah, they would assume that those who couldn't pronounce the J in perejil were Haitian. And that's how they determined who were Haitians that deserved to be killed, or Dominicans that would be spared.